Yo, what's up guys? We're back again on ARLC. So for today's video, I'm gonna rob some places and hopefully reach like 1,100,000 money. So yeah, I'm trying to find my friend, Mr. Banana. Mr. Banana, where are you? Where you are? I'm loud. Spawn. Bro, just disconnect. Okay, I'm gonna go back. Oh my lord. I'm gonna go back and rob some places. Hopefully. Hey, yo, stop. Stop. I saw him. Yo. Okay, let's go in. It's Mr. Banana. Because he has a rainbow whatever. Yeah. We gonna rob something. I'm gonna make a mafia. Oh wait, no, wrong one. Mia. Now I have to go soon. Okay. But for now, I'm gonna invite him on my Mia. IB getaway driver. Okay. Should we? Okay. Yo, another guy. Hey. Shish. Oh my god. I killed that guy. Okay, get out now or else I'll kill you too. Okay, let's go now. Let's go, getaway driver. We gotta go soon. They will be coming. Okay. Yo, so laggy. Okay. Let me steal. Oh no, there's a cop. Oh no. Okay, last one. Let's go. Yo, 3, 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 4, 5, 4, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 4. Yo. What? Yo, chill. Get out. Okay, let's go. Loser. Baba, loser. Gotta go fast. Oh my god, they're bumping in their cars. Well, I'm very fast. And I on my lowest graphics mode because it's so laggy, dude. Like, even if I'm on my lowest graphics, I'm so laggy. Okay, wee! Yo. Okay, Eddie, what's up, Eddie? I have another car to sell. I hope you like it, Eddie. Okay, he's coming. Okay. What was that? Low? Like, what was that? Yo, chill at driving, bro. My bad. Oh my god. Yo, what? He was trying to stop you. For real. He was trying to stop me until the police got in. He failed to do that. That's him. Yo, chill with the whipping mode. drifting, bro. Yo! The car almost flew off. Ew. Yo. Sheesh, that car's sick. That's the guy, dude. That's the guy. Okay. Get out. We don't know. We don't care. We don't need a million. Oh no! Dang. So good. Bro, my typing get so far. Yo, run away, Mr. Banana. Run away, Mr. Banana. I gotta save him. Ew. They're still there. Yo, that's my car there. Ah! No, I gotta go quick. Like, yo. Yo. Oh my lord. Bro. Okay, I'm back to square one. 151. Let's go, let's go. Dude, go. Bye bye. Car 1, 2, 3. Bye bye. Oh my lord, dude. Bro, just go in there under my car. Like what the heck? I think we're not able to go and get 1,100,000 money. So let's just hope we get 1,060,000 money. Yo, elbows. Gotta go quick. Let's go faster. Yo. I wish I didn't go faster. Like, that was zooming in, bro. Zooming in like that. Okay, we can fit in this thing. Okay, that police. I wanna kill some cops. Yo, what the heck? Nah, I will not join those boats. I'ma need people like, oh my lord, dude. Why am I doing some car crash? Okay, this car light is broken. This isn't. This isn't broken. Oh my lord. Okay, this car is too. Okay, I'm being chased by the police. Oh no! We gotta go fast. Bro, I said I only wanted to kill one cop, not 3 of them. Move! I said move! Thank you, dude! For once. Yo, this cop is fast! Like fast. Well, I guess you're not gonna... Yo, oh my lord. Okay, I'm gonna go faster. Okay, I'm gonna go faster, guys. Yeah, let's go! I'm gonna go faster. Yo! Oh no! Oh my god. I'm gonna fail. No, not today, buddy. Not today. Yo, there's no helicopter chase! 2 guys! Now, Mr. Banana is gone. Only me left. Mr. Banana is gone. Okay, I'm running out of fuel. Okay, quickly right turn. Yeah, dude, yeah. Yeah? Okay. How will you like that, bro? Bye-bye. Yo, what? Chill. Chill, guys. Chill. I said chill. I said chill. No, bye-bye. Papa's boy. I'm a boy. Yes, go. Gotta go faster. Okay, there's nothing I want. I got pit maneuver. Yo, no, 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 no. No, I don't want to go to jail. Oh, man. Oh, man. Yeah, he won. Dude, you lost. The bacon won. Oh my god. The bacon pit maneuvered me. Nah, this guy sucks. Now I have to go here. Okay, be right back, guys. Okay, guys, we're back and a bit laggy actually. But yeah, it's fine. Dang. Not that Cybertruck again. Can we fit in this hole? And that's a yes. Why is there a border with... Oh my lord. There's a border! No! I said move, dude. Bro, I was about to block them on the tunnel. Trolling this lore. Move! This Tesla won't move. No, I ain't slowing down. What the heck? Bro! Seriously, like, bro. Okay, I'ma help you push it in the stalker room. Bro. Bro's trying to fix the car. Still trying. Bro left. Okay, bye-bye. Ah, loser. No, he's not a loser. He's a cool guy with a cyber truck. Move. Yo, 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 yo. Oh my god. Oh man. Oh no. Stuck again. Okay, the cyber truck is back on track. Oh my god. Did you guys get it? Cybertruck, back on track. Oh my lord. Okay, I guess I'm not robbing any place anymore. Because I cannot find a single car that is red. The thing that you can steal. Yeah, something like that. I cannot find them. I wonder where can I find one. At least one. Like at least one, dude. Oh, found one. Oh my god. Bad at driving. Found one, found one. Okay. Easy peasy. Bro. Dude, this is easy. Like, with my eyes closed, I can just do this. And bam. Bro, what? Huh? Bro. It was so close yet so far. Dude, imagine the cops came. And I'm not even prepared! Oh no. Oh my god. No, 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 no. I'm not even prepared. Ow. I need help. Cop just ran into me. I think I have a technique, bro. I have a technique. Okay, we're gonna go far away. And then go back there to edit this one. I think we can hide in there. Bro. Well, I cannot hide in there. Okay, we're almost here. Oh, oh no. Not the. Nah, I don't have any. Bro, how did he pop my tires? No, please. Stop. Stop. Please. Dance Dance Revolution. Maybe like Dance Dance Revolution. Dance. Nah, bruh. This guy again. Bruh. You again. Alright, oh my god. Well, I'll end this video right here. I hope you like this video. If you want more videos like this, just subscribe and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye!